Good morning. Today, the Tactical Strategies Desk at StoneX will provide key data points in two important markets. First, we'll look at the S&P, and then we'll look at Bitcoin. Starting off with the S&P. Weekly data. This is the December contract, and on October 31st, via weekly data, we saw a bearish doji candlestick formation. This formation is on a weekly chart, and it was last seen at the end of 2024. It represents a form of exhaustion and confirmed incentivizing long liquidation. Where are we now in the S&P? The next chart details key area of support. This is a daily chart in December, and 100-day average is the red line at 65.99. This line is in an upward fashion, so that would provide additional support on initial tests. Sustained settlements below this area may attract longer-term selling. To renew the bullish trend, the 50-day average, that's the green line at 67.52, is an important area of resistance. Sustained settlements above are needed to renew that bullish bias. Let's move on and take a look at Bitcoin. The first chart. On October 21st, our trend model generated a sell signal. This is in the Bitcoin versus USD cross. The sell signal was generated in the 112,000 area. And that would look at that orange line. That's the trigger line on the chart. And that represents an optimized, smooth moving average. When the change in the slope hits a predetermined consecutive period, the sell signal is generated. Where we are now in Bitcoin. Let's go out further and look at a longer term chart. This is a monthly chart of Bitcoin versus USD. The 20-month average towards 87,753 is the next key support level. That's the black line. In addition, we're going to monitor for a negative monthly MACD crossover. That's in the lower pane, and that would be on a close below 97,515. You have a previous bear highlighted with a purple vertical line. A confirmation is needed at the end of the month because this is a monthly chart. So we need to have that confirmation, that close below, and that would be on 11:30. And that will renew longer-term momentum-based selling interest. Again, this is Michael Ragazzo at the Tactical Strategies Desk, signing off.